Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, Honorable Chairman of Zeta Pharma Shri Dr. Tarak Arolkar, my colleagues in the management of Zeta Pharma, esteemed guests, members of media, my employees, my dear friends. I am thrilled to be here at the launch of Zeta Pharma, not as a managing director, but as an entrepreneur and as a dreamer. Today reminds me of the time during the pandemic when people lost their life as well as bread, earner jobs, and self has always been restless, dreaming regarding the same. I found inspiration from the great Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the king, warrior, and a leader. Maharaja legendary is a part of our history and needs no introduction from me. All I would like to state is that, like Maharaja always bounced back from difficult situations, I decided to turn things around and can never be grateful to meet Maharaja for the inspiration. With Pratap, Rajesh, and later Amit becoming my trust journal, we set up Liquor World LLP, a beverage distribution business dealing with world-renowned brands. We did well. Business was a great week. We gelled as a team. I still remember the day we sat and discussed what next. We had become a crack team, had the great experience, and most importantly, shared the hunger to build something big, something homegrown in Goa, something that touches the millions of lives, and something that we can call our own. That led to multiple brainstorming sessions. This is and that, how and when, why and where. Zeta Pharma was born because of those passionate deliberations. It was conceived in the garage of my under construction house of our first house. Eventually, I end up building the garage first and later home. My mentor, Dr. Sri Tarak Arolkar, the someone who could all look up to as a mentor, guide, guru, he liked our idea, our vision, and our desire to put our motherland Goa and corporate India's map. Most importantly, Dr. Tarak Arolkar supported our vision of creating more than 10,000 jobs in next 5 years. Life needs inspiration. I firmly believe that the right inspiration at the right life stage can transform life. From my journey ahead, I look up to the ideals late Sri Ratan Tata lived up to. To summarize a few words, if I can implant a fraction of his integrity, vision, passion for building companies that not just thrive but also end up giving back to the society and play their part in the nation building, I would feel truly blessed. Going forward, the teaching of late Sri Ratan Tata will be our guiding light, as this is just the beginning. We need to live up to our vision and make great things happen. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Harshit ji, for sharing your heart with us. I'm sure this journey, this dream has taken a lot of challenges, a lot of time to come this far, and we only can say that a journey of 1,000 miles always begins with a single step, and today is that very, very special step. So we're looking forward to you changing and touching millions of lives ahead. So come, now let's hear it from someone very, very special at Zeta Pharma, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome with a big round of applause, Dr. Sri Tarak Arolkar, the chairman of Zeta Pharma. A warm welcome. We would love to hear your words and vision of Zeta from us.
Good evening to all of you who are present here. Today, on this auspicious occasion, the presence of our distinguished guest, Sri Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, and my management team, MD Sri Harshad Sadvelkar, Rajesh Dalvi, Pratap Bhai, and Amit Falari, and esteemed guests, media, and all my dear friends who are present here. Also, the managing team, such as marketing and backbone of the management, I can say Mr. Amonkar and Mr. Siddharth, and our lovely host, Kaushik, and all performers who have extremely performed well, like Ganesh Vandana, and the management of this hotel. Goa, a tiny paradise on the earth, has made its mark in the pharma sector over the years. It is a significant contributor to national and global healthcare landscape. The state produces an approximate 12% of the India's total pharmaceutical output, with a remarkable 70% of this production exported to leading global markets. Domestically, the sector serves a vital role, contributing approximately 30% of its production to the Indian market. As of December 2023, the state export drugs and pharma products was 948.48 million USD, that is 51.37% of the total export value was through drugs and pharmaceutical commodity group. It has also received approval from regulated bodies like US FDA, UK MHR, etc. Amidst this growing sector, our Zlata Pharma was conceptualized and brought into reality by our team efforts of POD and myself. The 4 products, namely pain relief gel, multi-purpose pain relief spray, ultra power pain balm, and Sambhog condom, have been manufactured and produced with intensive research on the existing similar brands, but our products are an improvised version which will bring an revolution in the healthcare market. It has plugged in the deficiencies and come out with a much user-friendly products at an affordable economical prices. Further, our distribution is across pan-India, which will create employment not only for our locals but also offers employment opportunity to others across India. Our firm will penetrate into market because of its quality, not quantity. It should be noted that after COVID-19, consumers have become more quality health conscious rather than quantity conscious. Our products are a combination of quality and affordability. The journey has begun, and I am fully confident that our teamwork will yield positive result not only for our organization but also for betterment of the society. Of course, challenges will be there, but without challenges, efficiency also sometimes passive. Zlata Pharma has come to rule the health sector for benefit of its people. We are starting this journey with our 4 products, but I want to tell you that our pharma will also cater to essential drugs production if required under proper support mechanism. Sir, your support will be crucial for us to prosper and work for the benefit of the people for all ages and classes. We will be grateful for support to facilitate an expansion or noble cause of reaching the unreached, not only in state of Goa, India, but also in other parts of the world who are in need of healthcare product at an affordable rates. Your very presence here today is a positive indication for us that the day will not be far behind that our Jata Pharma will override the existing MNCs of Goa and will become the health savior for Goa. I and my team are overwhelmed with the presence of Sir Dr. Salkar and other dignitaries sitting and witnessing today's launching of the first 4 innovative pharma products. I thank one and all for being part of very important milestone in our journey, and have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing with us the vision ahead for Zlata. And of course, with these 4 products, I'm sure we're going to create the revolution that you want to create in the market. Moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to hear it from our chief guest today. So please put your hands together and welcome Dr. Shekhar Salkar, Consulting Physician, Surgical Oncology, to address this gathering on this special occasion.
Good evening to all of you. Dr. Tarak Harolkar, Chairman of LATA. It's a difficult नाम दवरला बरेशे दवरपाचे फाटी इजी लोकांक म्हणून आमची भुरग्यांची नांव आमी सिंपल दवरलेल्यार मागीर बरें आपोवपाक बरी पडटा तांकां वेरी गुड. So Harshad Bab, who is the Managing Director, Rajesh Jalvi, Chief Executive Officer, Amit Falari, Chief Finance Officer, Pratap Naik, Chief Operating Officer, my good friend in marketing, and other guests who have come all the way here. I am really thankful to become as a chief guest. See, Devak Maka Anga Adpacho Ashila as a chief guest. Amchi meeting actually with the finance this commission at 3 to 5. ती 2 ते 3 झाली म्हणून हांव हांगा पावलो बेगीन आनी बाकीचे सगळे उरले थंय. सो इथे म्हज्या नशिबान हे आशिल्लें टू बी द चीफ गेस्ट एंड टू इनॉग्रेट दीस फार्मा विच इज अ न्यू स्टार्टअप आय वूड से इन कमिंग विथ ऑल यंग बडिंग आमचे सगळे डिफरंट वरायटी ऑफ डॉक्टर आहा भितर म्हणजे तो डॉक्टर आमचो आरोग्य दोतोर तरी तो PhD इन लॉ. सो लॉ आनी बाकीचे सगळे केमिकल इंजिनियर आनी हे सगळे इंजिनियर मिळून ताणी ही फार्मा इंडस्ट्री काढली. As of today, I think they are only OTC. OTC म्हणजे over the counter products are there. Most important product is a painkiller. I think pain is the most important factor for all. सगळ्या पेशंटांक आमचे पेन इज सामको सिग्निफिकंट आसता बिकॉज पेन रिलीफ करप हाचे सारकें आनी पुण्य ना. आय ऑलवेज से इवन आय कॅन रिलीव